Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you my home solution, what I make to have a radiant, flawless, just smooth, scar free, acne free, you know, even skin. I'm using vitamin C powder, and I bought this one from Holland & Barrett here in the UK. You can find in any of the sort of organic stores if I'm not mistaken, but here in the UK you can buy from Holland & Barrett. So is it in a powder form? It's pretty much two ingredients, is the vitamin C powder, and I'm using the facial toner. You could use mineral water with this one here, but it works beautifully even with the facial toner. I've done so many times. I tend to make this solution every fourth night, so every 2 weeks. It can be abrasive. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, and you just need to be careful. For this solution, the recipe is pretty much 1 teaspoon of the vitamin C powder, and I have got here 3 spoons of the tonic water. Okay, so this is enough for the whole of my face basically, and it doesn't have to be thick. It's pretty much watery. So guys, you stir it for 1 minute or so, and then I wash my face, make sure it's with no makeup at all, and then I start applying the solution, just making sure no hairs are on my face or anything like that. Clean face. And here's the solution, and I'm gonna take some cotton pads. Comes very handy, just great for this type of face mask. You're gonna just have to dip in there, and pretty much it's self-explanatory. Just have to pass the solution all over your face like I'm doing. Okay, focusing on the areas that the problem areas basically. Like I said, I have got like smile lines. I've got high cheekbone, and I tend to have, since I was a teenager. But I've been doing these for quite some time, and I believe it helps to keep my skin clear. It can sting a little bit, so be careful. In anything that you see in the internet, make sure you consult your doctor before you actually apply any of these products. All right guys, some of the benefits of vitamin C: it helps to protect the skin cells from damaging through the free radicals, the UV exposure and stuff. And also want to point out, when you do this type of treatment, make sure you actually use or wear a sun protection. Don't expose yourself to the sun. If you continue to use this type of solution, you will notice that your skin, you're gonna get a bit lighter, because it kind of reduces the production of melanin. We love our melanin, but it does that. If you're trying to have a lighter skin, definitely that would help you. Often vitamin C people use for treatment of acne as well. I'm just here saying that you have to sort of wait until it dries slightly, then go over with it again. Okay guys, just to reinforce the treatment in the skin. But I have to say, it's great for uneven skin, to tone your skin. You're gonna just have great results. But the only thing is, make sure you wear sunscreen, please. And prior to this, consult your a dermatologist. I'm not a certified, you know, skin specialist, but I've been doing this for years. Guys, also, I was about to forget, please be careful with your eyes. This, if it goes inside your eye, you will be running, so be very careful. Here in the mirror, just checking and really just showing you guys how it dries out. Let it dry. You know, I keep for 20 minutes. So guys, I washed my face. Now I'm going to apply a night moisturizer. I bought this from TK Maxx. It's the Eclair Skin 24 karat gold. Okay, very moisturizing, very happy with it. It's my second jar. I'll leave links down below if I can find any links for you guys. So you definitely want to go with a nice moisturizer, because obviously the vitamin C is very drying to the skin. It can cause some peeling, so you need to be very careful. And that's why I only do this treatment every fortnight, but I make sure after that my skin is well moisturized. Okay, and in the morning my skin is like a baby's bum. Very nice. Even the way the lotion just glides, you know, this is an amazing way for you to get rid of, you know, lines, and also exfoliates your skin, because the vitamin C, like I said, you can use mineral water to mix this the vitamin C with. Don't use tap water at any time, okay, because it has got germs and stuff. You know, tap water is no good. Yeah, so this is what I do. People always complimenting my skin. I do go out without makeup sometimes, and I'm quite confident. Yes guys, so get rid of fine lines, and it really makes you feel like you had a lift as well, which is fantastic. I mean, I'm 35, I don't have no wrinkles or anything like that. Don't forget your décolleté, but you need to be looking after your skin from 22 years old, I believe. No matter if you have an amazing skin, you just have to. And also, when you do this type of treatment, you want to use a sunblock. You want to use, you know, you can't go outside, just expose yourself in the sun, because you might have like pigmentations popping all over your face, like patches and stuff. So be very careful. Okay, sunscreen guys, SPF, is it SPF 50? That's what I use, SPF 50. So share this video as well, and you know, I'm on the road to grow my channel. A lot of more beauty tips that is coming your way, fashion, product reviews, and so on and so forth. Actually, I'm gonna do a product review about this item here, and if you want to come back and watch, will be great. Okay, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.